Meridian Way. But I'm going to fit this in one picture.
It doesn't seem as watery as the last time I came here. It was really wet the last time I was here, like slippery and wet. And it smells good, doesn't it?
Can you read that sign?
Yeah, you're not throw pointing.
Well, I'm trying to get a clear. I can't, though. Holy shit! Goodbye, cruel world.
That's a pretty shot over there.
I thought I made this zoom function better, but it's not too much better. Ooh, wow, it's raining. That feels good. Well, raining, you know, raining the waterfall.